So today is going to be glorious. Today is going to be a breakfast sandwich, or excuse me, a French toast breakfast sandwich. It's going to be very exciting. But first off, I'm going to make the patties with some ground pork. I got a little chorizo here, some dried spices. I'm just going to mix it up in the bowl. Just going to have my dry spices. Here I have garlic powder, onion powder, some espelette, some dried espelette, and some cumin. I'm really digging the espelette pepper. A little bit of black pepper, salt. This is just the mixed part. The chorizo is really going to kind of make this special. Nice, and you got folded in and mixed up. All the chorizo and pork are good to go, and then you're just going to make some patties about the size of the brioche, so you kind of gauge how big this little rectangle is. I'm gonna go fairly thin because you don't want like this chunky patty. All right, that should be perfect, just a nice cut. All right, so patties, beautiful. For the French toast. So simple, just an egg, no milk, just a little bit of salt. Sometimes you can add sugar and kind of go crazy with it with spices and stuff like that, but doing a little grilling outside, make it simple. Make it easy. Just gonna pour this guy in here. I'm just gonna set these guys all the way across. Maybe only enough room for 3. I got one more that I have to put down. Put it right here. All right, just want to make sure these are all nice and soaked up with the egg goodness, so when they fry up, they have that nice little layer of crunch. All right, it's actually pretty good. Fit this last one in there. There we go. Some chunky cheddar. It's hot. All right, guys, so the French toast breakfast sandwich is done. This thing is kind of insane and a bit over the top, which I'm a little in love with right now. I don't always cook like this. Clearly, I definitely like my salads and my healthy stuff, but every once in a while, you know, the indulgence can take over, and my mind can be a little crazy. So this is kind of the result of that, and I do love my breakfast sandwiches. I love French toast. And just bringing the two worlds together seemed like a fun thing to do, especially cooking out here in the shack. This is always a fun place to cook, kind of unplugged. Anyways, I'm going to dive into this and just run through the very, I'm sure, obvious flavors of this French toast breakfast sandwich. I'm going to pick it up. I'm just going to do the old pickup style. Oh my gosh. It's instantly almost like McGriddle-y. You have like this sweet, crispy, eggy French toast on the outside. Soaks in a lot of that sweetness, obviously, and a savory patty. It's a little spicy too. It's kind of hard to stop. So good, guys. This is crazy. French toast, sunny egg, melty cheese, kind of spicy, savory sausage chorizo patty, and the French toast again. It's just really good. Maple syrup on top. Of course, the reduced maple syrup kind of puts it over the top, even more so over the top than it already is. And then the powdered sugar just to give it that, breakfast French toasty effect. But all in all, this was fun to make. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel if you guys enjoy what I'm doing here as a whole. Leave comments down below for future video requests, things I want to see on my channel. Also, make sure you check the description box for equipment links and ingredient lists for this recipe and just things that are going on my channel. So check that out if you're interested, and I will see you guys next time with another recipe. Later.